Do you feel tired, lethargic, sleepy in the day? Almost impossible to carry on with your work? And is there loud snoring which is disturbing others around you? These could be symptoms of sleep apnea, and we have a very simple method to test, and this is called as the balloon ring device. For this sleep awareness month, we have a very special package for you all. So get tested, at least know what's causing this problem and get to the root of the condition.